Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video. I think this is video 126. Yeah, I've been busy and stuff, been away from my computer and such, so haven't been able to make a video in a while, but here I am. The bot reports, though, as well in S Group have been a little bit delayed. So what you see here in my bot report here, this is from 3 days ago, 0.44%, made 89.62, and this is from 2 days ago. 0.39% made 81.59. If I go into the finance section, which actually tells you all of the transactions, you'll see yesterday was, you see there it is, 0.39%. 2 days ago, yesterday was 0.41%. So I made about 82, 83, 84, 84, $85, something like that. And that's a good day yesterday, guys. If I go to my investments here, you'll actually see the investments here. I'm at 23 days in. Actually, once I get to 28 days, what I'll be doing is combining all these three investments. What that'll do is it'll take the monthly earnings amount and it'll shoot it right up to the top right here. So at that point, I'll have access to the funds. I can take it all out. I can um, reinvest some of it, which is what I plan to do. I'm probably going to reinvest. I'm thinking 600 because I want to get this to 25,800. So it'll be on Thursday or Tuesday next week. As you see right here, today is Thursday, and I'm going to be doing it on here on the 18th. So on this day, it'll be 28 days. So yeah, on that day, I will be. Oh, okay, there we go. On that day, I will be combining all my investments and have access to the funds. And yeah, and then this will be reset again. Because again, guys, you only get three combines, combining your deposits. You only get three of those within 90 days. So I believe, from what I understand, is that when you combine, it's three within 90 days from the start of the combine. I don't think it's 3 days from the initial combine. I'm not sure. Some of the other members aren't too sure, but we'll figure it all out. But nonetheless, yeah, as you see, I've been earning money on these investments. So this is the 600 that I got. Part of the 600 that I got from the team turnover bonus of 1,000, which I did in one of my last videos. And yeah, so I put that in there. I'm earning at 80-20% tier. So just think, guys, I was at the 75, 25% tier since January of last year. So that's about a year and a quarter, basically. So I'm excited to be at this tier. Of course, there's going to be a long, long road to get to the top and final tier here, 85.15. Got to get to 50,000. So by next week on Tuesday, I'll be at 25.8, and then a month from now, I'm going to go up another 600. So I'll be at like 26.4, and then a month after that, I'll be at 27. Oh, and once I get to 30,000, guys, I literally will be making $100 a day because the trades have been around zero point 0.4. So if you do the math, if you take 30,000 times 0.004%, and then times that by 80%, it should be you'll actually get 100. So I'll be making $100 per day. So that is $2,000 a month. So when I get to that point, what I plan on doing is I'm going to take in 1 month I'll take $1,000, reinvest it back into the system, and then I'll take out 1,000 so I can enjoy it. So just think, guys, my account will be growing $1,000 a month. So in 10 months, that 30,000 easily is going to go to 40,000. It's going to be insane. And once I get to 40,000, I might just start growing at like 1,500 a month because I'll be so high. I'll be making more money as I go along. So that's kind of my progression here, guys. And I wanted to show you how I'm doing. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below. You can sign up for the S group, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions. There's my email link in the description down below. And also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. That way you can see all the necessary updates and reviews and progress on how I'm doing with my S group account. So I want to thank you guys for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.